Welcome to Decroly Education Center, where learning meets impact. If you've been enjoying our videos on psychology, study strategies, and global issues, we'd love to invite you to take the next step with us. For just $5.99 a month, as a knowledge seed, you'll get loyalty badges, custom emojis, priority replies to your comments, and early access to new videos. It's the perfect way to plant your roots in our learning community. At $9.99, you can join the Learning Circle. Here, you'll shape our journey with members-only polls, enjoy exclusive shorts, and even receive shout-outs in our videos. Your voice matters, and this is where it shines. And for those who want to connect more deeply, our Global Impact Scholar tier at $24.99 opens the door to personal connections on social media, exclusive live streams, and members-only videos. Together, we'll explore ideas that change the world. By joining, you're not just supporting this channel, you're empowering education that bridges local and global impact. Click join below and become part of the Decroly Education Center family. Learning for life. Impact for the world.